All this is a fully insulated good bag for working, traveling, picnic, waterproof, really top of the line quality. 12-liter, holds about 18 cans inside here of soda. I'm gonna fill this up to show you how much stuff we could pack. Has about 5 pockets. We have one here, we have on the side here, and these are drawstring attached to hold everything nicely. We got one in here, we got another one in the back, which is a Velcro right here. We got another side pocket. I mean, everything when you think about it. We got a handle right here for your shoulder. You just hook this onto the side. You could hold it, carry it on your shoulder, which is easy. And I gotta tell you, keep stuff. Also, it keeps stuff warm or keeps stuff cool. Here is 11.5 inches by 9 inches across. It's 8.5 inches from top to bottom. Black color, it comes in gray and I think a blue too. Right here, we got a bunch of snacks on the side. Some more snacks, and in the front part, what I like here with the zipper and like a privacy, you could put your wallet, you could put your phone, you could put your keys, everything in the front, which they made it really nice and easy to store stuff like that. And then in here, wow, look at that. I didn't even put anything in here yet, but we could fill this bag with more stuff, but this is some stuff I just want to show you as an example. We got about, maybe, let's see, we got we got about at least 7 cans of soda right now. We got 2 containers of food. We got apples, banana. I'm going to show you guys. And we could still put more stuff in there. And don't forget, it keeps stuff cold and it keeps stuff warm. See that? We got another container. We got another one here. Listen, this is perfect. It's small. It's very lightweight. It's convenience. It keeps everything nice and cool. What I like about the zipper, you have 2 zipper right here. You have 2 zipper right here. Easy to zip. And then nice strong strap with a Velcro right here. Really good heavy duty quality. And we got 2 options. You could carry this bag. You could hold it with a handle like that, or you could hook this part on right here. Come right here, hook this on, and this goes on your shoulder right here, so it's not a lot of stress on your wrist. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. It's gorgeous. The color is beautiful. The size is small, and you could pack tons of stuff in here, and your food would not go bad in here. If you take your food with a regular bag and the temperature is too hot, the humidity level alone will make it spoil or go bad, you know. But this right here with the fully insulated, this will protect your stuff for a longer period of time. If you open up, let's say example, you want something, you open up, you take what you need, right, and then close it back right away. So this way you trap all the coldness in there or warmness, whatever you want in there. Listen, overall, it's a great product. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to take, and I love it. It's great for travel, and as I said, or you could work every day, travel on the train, whatever you want. Check in the description box for price and detail, and get your hand on something that's worth it. It's easy to clean. It's 100 waterproof, and it's beautiful and really good, strong material. Honest review here on Product Zone.